morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day and having a good start to your Friday. Today we'll be doing a motivating power hour outdoor clean. Let this give you the motivation and inspiration that you need and help you conquer your chores that you needed to finish today. So if y'all are ready to tackle this mess with me, let's get started. It just blows my mind how things like this can quickly start to pile up and get out of hand. Then it leaves you wondering as you're cleaning up that how did this get so out of hand? Then you realize, oh, I have kids, a husband, and a farm. And not only do I take care of them, I'm their chef, their laundry service, their coordinator, their financial advisor, their gardener, you name it. Ladies, we do it all, and no wonder we have messes like these, because if we're not needed in one spot, we're needed in another. However, that's okay. Wouldn't change it for the world, because it keeps us busy and it lets us know that as a wife and mother, we're always truly needed. You'll see throughout this video that I'll be using quite a bit of Lysol wipes here and there, and you'll see the dust on tops of other items too. Some stuff out here I'll usually give a good wipe down with a hot rag, depending on how much dust is on it. However, depending on the dust, 9 times out of 10, it's covered in it. So I'll grab some Lysol wipes to sanitize and to grab all of the stuck on dirt from items that have sat too long outside. Also, with the constant touching of the animals, touching things up here and touching things back out there, you'll definitely want to sanitize what you can, and you'll see that throughout the video how much I clean.
This place that we're in, but I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's
So what do you guys have planned for the new year? Have you already set your goals? If so, what goals have you set? What's your status, and how far are you into accomplishing your goal? At the beginning of my new year, I told myself 4 goals that I truly wanted to reach. Wanted to be happier, healthier, stronger, fit in my body, and to reach 1,000 subs on YouTube within 6 months. Well, I wanted to tell you guys that all things are possible with a positive mindset, and if you're persistent at what you do, you won't have to worry about accomplishing your goals because everything will fall right into place for you. I promise.
We do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good
Alright, you guys, what are your plans for today? Well, my plans for today, after cleaning up this porch and getting cleaned up, are to go to Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Target. I know, right? Every woman's favorite store, or at least mine to go to 24/7 in order to find exactly what I'm looking for. Plus, I can't help that all these stores are in the same shopping plaza, so why not hit every one of them, right? Well, I plan to go to these stores because I'm going to stock up on a little more Valentine's Day decorations for the home, and I'm very much looking forward to finding my gnomes. So, I absolutely love them. So, I'm usually getting a good head start to decorating for special holidays like these. Be sure to be on the lookout for some videos next week on some Valentine's decoration ideas because I will have a ton of them. For those of you who know me, you know that I love to stock up on all of this special decor and just fill my house with it since it only comes one time a year. I'll be decorating the areas in my kitchen, there's about 3 of them, the dining room area, my living room, and my master bedroom.
Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever.
I just wanted to take a moment and to thank you guys for being a part of my channel, for loving what I do, for the content I create, and for showing your support to my hard work that I try to do for you on a daily basis. YouTube has its moments of being easy, but sometimes it can really get to you. However, when we surround ourselves with those who believe in the same thing as you do, who dream of all that it can be, thrive to be where you want to be, and to be just like you, then that makes us completely forget all of the hard times and the negativity along the way up and makes us work so much harder for our goals. The positive always outweighs the negativity, and if you keep having that support with a positive mindset, you'll go very far and get where you want to be. So you guys, again, thank you so much for following me, for watching me, being a part of my channel, and enjoying what I do. It means the world to me. However, for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm really glad to have you here. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up before you leave because it truly helps out my channel. Are you guys still with me? Well, I hope you are. This video wasn't too long. I hope you are and you've made progress on your cleaning today. Honestly, it necessarily doesn't have to be cleaning either. I hope you completed your chores for work. I hope you finished that project you've been putting off at home. Or I simply hope that watching this outdoor clean gave you the motivation and inspiration you needed to start your day off right. If so, my job here is done, and I'll see you again in the next video.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better.
You guys, thank you so much for watching, for being here and supporting my channel with all your love, your likes, and your comments. It truly helps out, and I only hope to get more as the time goes by. Again, I hope this gave you the motivation and inspiration that you needed to finish your chores today. Now that I'm all finished, it's time to get cleaned up and go shopping. Oh yes, that is the fun part for today, and because it's Friday and I'm on a time crunch when it's time to pick up my kids for school. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and follow us there as well. We'd love to have you. So I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye you guys.